Hi, David. You look tired today.
Hi, Lisa. Yes, I am a little tired. Classes were difficult today.
I know. So many lessons. I almost fell asleep this afternoon.
Me too. The history class was very long.
Yes, very long. So, how was your day?
It was okay, but something small happened.
What happened? You look serious.
It's not a big problem. In English class, the teacher asked me a question.
Okay, and then?
I tried to answer in English, but my sentences were wrong. My grammar was bad. Then some students laughed. Not everyone, but some did. I felt terrible.
Oh no, that is not nice. They should not laugh.
I know, but they did. Now I feel less confident.
I understand, but you should not feel bad.
How can I not? When people laugh, it hurts.
Yes, it does. But remember, everyone makes mistakes. They just hide it better.
Maybe. But now I feel scared.
Scared of what?
I'm scared to speak English again. If I try, maybe they will laugh again.
David, listen. If you stop speaking, your English will not get better. Mistakes help us learn. No one is perfect.
That's easy for you to say. Your English is better than mine.
Better? No. My English is not perfect. I make mistakes too. Last week I said, I am study, instead of I am studying. Everyone laughed, even the teacher.
Oh, I remember. You laughed too.
Yes, I laughed. Then I learned. Now I don't make that mistake. See, David? Laughing is not the problem. Fear is the problem. If you can laugh and learn, you will improve.
You are right. But at that moment, I wanted to run away.
I know that feeling. I felt that way many times before. In school, my classmates laughed at my English. I cried that day, but I practiced slowly. Now I don't cry.
You are brave.
And you can be brave too.
But how? My English is not good. I don't know many words.
That's okay. We can practice together.
Together?
Yes, you and me. We can talk in English for 15 minutes every day.
But I will make many mistakes.
It's fine. I will make mistakes too. We can laugh together in a friendly way.
Okay.
Good. Let's start now. What is your hobby?
My hobby? I like to draw.
Oh, that's nice. You are an artist.
Not an artist. I just like to draw simple pictures.
That is still good. You should show me your drawing sometime.
Sure. What is your hobby?
I like to read stories. Sometimes I read English stories. At first it was difficult, but it is getting easier.
That's good. I should read stories too.
Yes, reading helps a lot. You can start with easy books. Children's stories are useful.
That's a good idea.
And when you read, try to read aloud. It helps your speaking.
Okay. I will try. Thank you, Lisa. I feel better now.
See? Talking helps. Don't keep your feelings inside.
The next day.
Hi, David. Are you ready to practice today?
Ready. But a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Let's just talk. The only difference is we use English.
Okay, let's try.
Good. Let's start with something easy. What did you eat for lunch?
For lunch, I ate rice, lentils, and bread.
Nice. And you?
I ate 2 chapatis and some vegetables.
Okay. See? That was easy.
Yes, daily talk is simple. But in class, the teacher's questions are hard.
That's true. But first, we build confidence with simple talk. Then we can try bigger sentences.
Okay,
Next question. What is your favorite place in town?
my favorite place? There is a small river near my town. I like it very much.
Oh, that sounds nice. Why do you like it?
because it is quiet and peaceful. I sit near the river and draw pictures.
Wow, that's beautiful. What is your favorite place, Lisa?
My favorite place is the library. It is small but very quiet. I go there to read books.
Oh, that is perfect for you. You love books.
Yes, I do. See, this is not so hard. You are speaking well.
Thank you, but my grammar is wrong.
Don't worry about grammar now. Speak first.
Okay,
Tell me about your dream. What do you want to be?
my dream? I want to be an artist. I want to draw pictures for books.
Oh, an illustrator. That is amazing.
Yes, but my English is weak. How can I work in a big city without good English?
Don't worry. You are learning now. You will get better step by step. But you must practice.
Okay, what is your dream, David?
My dream is to be a teacher. An English teacher. I want to teach children.
Then you must speak very good English.
That's why I practice. If I stop, I cannot be a teacher. You know, sometimes I feel shy to speak in front of the class too. But I still try. Trying is the only way to get better. You are strong, and you will be strong too. Just don't stop.
Okay, from today, I will not stop.
Good. Let's play a game.
What game?
A word game. I say a word, and you make a sentence with it.
That sounds difficult.
It's not hard. Try. First word. Book.
Book. I have a book.
Perfect. Easy. Next word. School.
I go to school.
Very good. Next word. Happy.
I am happy today.
Excellent. See? It's not scary. Now, you give me a word.
Okay, the word is river.
I like the river.
Good. Next word, friend.
You are my friend.
That is true. This game is helpful. Small sentences are useful.
Yes, I like it. Time goes fast. It is evening already.
Yes, but we practiced well today. I feel more confident.
That's great. We will continue tomorrow.
Okay, English talk again tomorrow. It's a deal. Thank you, David. Without you, I would not try.
You don't need to thank me. We are friends. Friends help each other. I am lucky to have you as a friend.
I am lucky too. We help each other.
Yes. Now let's go home before it gets dark.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.